This is event number 106, heat 12. Lead 0 is Supo. Heat 13, lead 0 is Luniego, Assumption College. Lane 1 Dayo of Negros University. Lane 2 Velasquez of Marius de Baste. Lane 3 Custodio of DLSE Campus. Lane 4 Lirio of Assumption College. Lane 5 Gil Bueno of Golden Clippers. Lane 6 Amatorio of FCW Royals. Lane 7 Grape of Assumption College. Lane 8 Pamon of DLSE Tappers. Lane 9 Usman of Miriam College.